Welcome back, lovely people. We're in my kitchen today making 3 easy meals for those going vegan. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off our breakfast with a very simple cream of wheats, or in our family's case, cream of rice and shine, hot oatmeal. So I'm just following the directions on the back of the container. I'm adding my water. I'm going to let my water boil. And then Caden obviously is helping me out create this rice and shine hot cereal. And I'm just going to stir it. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to stir it and bring it down to a simmer. And whatever your consistency as far as hot cereals that you like, that's pretty much what we're going to achieve here. For myself, I like it a little thicker because I like to pour hot milk over it once I have my toppings. For Caden and my daughter, for the most part, they like it more smooth. So we're going to create 2 different batches here. And this one is mine. Like I said, I like it a little chunkier and thick. And I'm just going to top it with some bananas. I'm going to add some cherries and a couple other things, flaxseed, and honestly you can add whatever you like. In my case, like I said, I'm going to pour hot milk over it, and that is how I am going to enjoy it. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to be moving on to lunch now. Now, generally this recipe is an alphabet vegetable soup that I make for the kids, kind of keep it fun and lively. But this time I'm just going to do rotini vegetable soup. So that is what I'm going to be using instead of the alphabet macaroni noodles. And of course, gluten-free, because my daughter is gluten-free and we try to stay as gluten-free as we can so she doesn't feel left out. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with this grape-seed oil, and I'm going to let that kind of sit over medium heat. And now I'm adding my onions and my garlic, and I'm going to saute that until they're nice and tender and almost brown. And then eventually I am going to turn this down to low. You guys know I always cook on low heat, not high heat. Now I am adding the water. I'm also going to be adding the different spices. So I'll be adding the water, the broth, the parsley. I'm going to be also adding the tomatoes. Now, I did crushed tomatoes. It's up to you. How do you like your soup? If you like it, with chunks of tomatoes, and you can do diced tomatoes and crushed tomatoes. But personally, me, I just like crushed tomatoes, and so do my kids. So that's what I used, just a can. I didn't, do it from scratch. And then I'm going to be adding my broth, which I used about 14 ounces of vegetable stock broth, of course, and I do low sodium. And I'll be adding my gluten-free noodles, the rotini style. Now, like I said, my recipe generally calls for a half a cup of alphabet macaroni noodles, but because I am doing rotini, I decided to do 2 cups of rotini noodles.
So hey guys, it's me, Caden, and welcome to and have these toys ready, set up. See that? I'm gonna show you about the middle one. This one is humongous, so it's the big view. And this one's so little because it's so cute for this. It's so cute.
Alright, so once it's done simmering, I'm now going to add the celery, the carrots, and the broccoli. And I'm going to let this cook for another 10 minutes, pretty much until the broccoli and the carrots are tender. I'm not too worried about the celery. We like that with a little crunch to it. And I'm adding my salt and pepper to taste, and it's pink Himalayan salt as well. I know I should be doing this at the end, but that's just, I don't know, it's a fetish of mine. So, and here are the end results of the soup. And there you have it, rotini vegetable soup. And I just decided to put that alongside of some fried plantains, which I'll probably do another video about. All right, so for dinner, I decided to do something very simple. I have some cut up asparagus sauteing with minced onion and minced garlic. I have my cauliflower that I marinated overnight, which check the description for the information, but you can see all the herbs covering it. And after that, I put it in the oven for 400 degrees, about 25-30 minutes. I have my asparagus, my cauliflower. I made a mushroom gravy and arroz y gandules for my side dish. And that's it, guys. Obviously, if you're transitioning somewhere in here, you would have maybe a small amount of meat. And if you're a vegetarian vegan, this is it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, click the notification bell, and don't forget to share it with someone that might be transitioning. Full recipe in the description box, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.